Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn how to find the distance of a point from a plane, a very common Class 12 topic in CBSE and NIOS. First, let's build intuition. The distance from a point to a plane is the shortest path, which is always the perpendicular distance. There are two common forms. First, the vector form. If the plane is r dot n equals d, and the point has position vector a, then the distance is the absolute value of a dot n minus d divided by the magnitude of n. Most students use the Cartesian form. If the plane is ax plus b, y plus c, z plus d equals 0, and the point is x1, y1, z1, then the distance is given by this formula. Here are the steps. Step 1. Plug the point coordinates into the plane equation. Step 2. Take the absolute value. Step 3. Divide by the square root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Now, let's solve an example. Find the distance of the point 2, 5, minus 3 from the plane 6x minus 3, y plus 2, z minus 4 equals 0. Identify the values. A is 6, b is negative 3, c is 2, d is negative 4. And x1 is 2, y1 is 5, z1 is negative 3. Substitute into the formula. We get the absolute value of 6 times 2 plus negative 3 times 5 plus 2 times negative 3 minus 4, all divided by the square root of 36 plus 9 plus 4. Now, simplify step by step. We get the absolute value of 12 minus 15 minus 6 minus 4 over the square root of 49. That becomes the absolute value of negative 13 over 7. So the distance is 13 over 7 units. Special case. If the point is the origin, the formula becomes very simple. The distance is just the absolute value of d divided by the square root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. And that's how we find the distance of a point from a plane. Practice a few examples to master it. Thank you for learning with Brain League.